It is a first-person perspective drone, commonly known as the FPV drone. It allows the operator to see the drone's perspective through a wireless image transmission system. A normal drone DIY rides the FPV for only $1,000, but he can easily destroy $450 million worth of armored tanks. Each of his explosions is a lucrative business. The warhead at the bottom of the drone is a rocket-propelled grenade RPG, since the drone is sometimes too slow to trigger the warhead to explode. The warheads have been modified to use piezoelectric triggers. In addition, the drone can also be equipped with a shotgun-like effect bomb. The shrapnel scattered by the bomb during the explosion increases the chance of hitting enemy soldiers. The explosion can be triggered manually by the operator. The modification of the drone is also very simple. First, reduce its weight. Replace it with a lightweight carbon fiber frame that can withstand high speed, flight and collision, and then add a central processor. In order to pursue lightweight, the central processor is not protected by the housing. The pilot controls 4 special propeller blades through the central processor. Above the drone is his power source battery pack. The entire battery generally provides the drone with about 30 minutes of flight time.